Question 20. Now we've got to draw this line all the way from -1 to 5, but that doesn't mean we've got to plot all the points from -1 to 5. I think it's always easiest just to pick three nice straightforward x values, 0, 1 and 2, and substitute each of these values into this equation, into this formula. Okay, so taking x being 0, -2 times 0 is 0, 0 add 4 is 4. So when x is 0, y is 4. So that's the first coordinate we can plot, 0 along the corridor, 4 up the stairs. Then moving on to x being 1. -2 times 1 is -2. -2 add 4 is +2. So when x is 1, y is +2. Hence the coordinate 1, 2. So I've plotted that on my graph, 1, 2. Now that's enough actually to draw a straight line. You only need 2 for a straight line, but I think it's always nice to do 3 points just to check you haven't made a mistake. As long as your 3 points are in a straight line, I think you can probably assume you're okay. So taking x being 2, that's my third choice of x value. Remember, I chose to do these. Taking x being 2, pop it into the formula. -2 times 2 is -4. -4 add 4 is nothing. So when x is 2, y is nothing. I'm plotting the point 2 along the corridor, nothing up the stairs. So there are my 3 points. They are in a straight line, so I'm happy I've got it right. Just make sure when you draw in the straight line, you do go all the way from x being -1. So all the way from here, all the way down to x being 5 down here. So you do need to make sure that blue line does stretch all that distance and isn't just kept to that little bit up there. Right. Then we've got 2 other lines to draw in, y being equal to -4. Right, remember y equaling -4 is parallel to the x-axis. Alright, you think of all the coordinates on this line here. We've got 2 -4, 3 -4, 4 -4, 5 -4. The y value is consistently being -4. Alright, and then we want to plot the line x being equal to 1. Same idea, it's this vertical line down here through 1. Think of any coordinates on this line. That first x coordinate would consistently be 1. 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. X is always being 1. So just make sure you get those lines being right. Label up the 3 lines each time the actual lines are equal to them. This is only when we start shading do we need these other bits and bobs. So we want all the points where y is less than the blue line, so that's below it, and all the points where y is above the green line and to the right of the brown line, so it's this triangle in here. Invariably it's always going to be the captured area in the middle, which we've had to label R.